Did you know you can make over $5,000 a month selling your old assignments and handwritten notes? Not just some petty cash, but a good amount of money every time someone will buy the same old notes of yours. And it's not just limited to school notes, but a huge variety of documents that are just waste for you. Or you might be using them, but still want to earn some handsome cash while studying by sharing your lecture notes, old assignments, practice problems, quizzes, old exam study guides, past papers, and even old homework that can be used as a reference, and that too in any language, not just English. This is how you can turn your notes into nuggets and make money online as a teenager. Let me get straight to the point and tell you how to do it and how much you can earn even in the beginning months of uploading your assignments. Most importantly, are you even eligible to sell documents on the platform or not? Which platform is this? This is the platform that will make you the rich kid in your school. It's called Studypool, and this website lets users earn money by selling notes from all over the world. So no matter what country you belong to, you can earn money as a student or a graduate. They pay up to $10 per note sold. So is it worth spending your time on? Let me show you more. Just head over to Sell Docs here. Check this out. Their top contributors have earned around $90,000. This is unbelievable. These students made more than a software developer working in top companies. Man, I wish I'd known about this platform earlier. And Studypool has got a 4.5 rating on Trustpilot, so I trust them. If we look over to the top selling documents, this is blowing my mind. Someone here uploaded just a 9-page document, and Studypool sold over 700 copies of it, and the user earned $4,500. If we scroll down, it's even better. A 2-page document sold over 361 times, and the owner earned $2,000+ for uploading just a student budget guide.
I have to say, that's the most amazing story I ever heard.
So if we upload around 10 different notes and assignments and around 50 people are buying the copy, you will earn $5,000 a month. And don't forget, you will still earn if someone buys the notes in future. Now, the question is, how to do it? As easy as cutting a piece of cake. First, go to studypool.us, then click on Sign Up. Third, enter your details and verify you account from the email you will receive from Studypool. As you can see, you are just required to finish setting up your account. Set your username, enter your school or university name, and next. Now, if you are seeing this and you think clearly, they are helping students in 200+ subjects, meaning you can upload your study materials for all those subjects. I mean, it can be anything from traditional school topics like English and science to more deep subjects like astrophysics and fashion design. The sky's the limit. Next, gather up all quiz, exam preps, old papers, handwritten or typed notes and assignments. Click on Upload Files and upload them. Even if you have all the pages scattered, just put them all in a zip file and upload that. Studypool will take over and do everything for you. You will not just make money on each document sold, since a single doc can be sold multiple times. So you will earn up to $10 every time someone buys a copy of your document. The more documents you upload, the more you will earn each month out of it. Now, all you have to do is relax, and Studypool will review the document and approve it. And if you wish to have 100% approval chances and better document selling price, you can click on Maximize Earnings and follow all the do's and fix all the don'ts from your document. Not going much deep in here. Regarding the eligibility, if you live anywhere in the world and are 18+ years old, you can sell on this website even if you are younger. Ask your parents to sign up for you. So literally everyone is eligible to sell on this website. Talking about the money withdrawal process, the good part. On the dashboard, click on the amount you earned, click on Withdraw Money then, select your preference for transfer method, and complete the submission. Within 2 to 3 working days, the money will be in your account. I am sharing Studypool links in the description for signing up. It has earning potential for students to employers of any field to every language. Don't waste the opportunity and grab it now. Take out your notes and get ready to print some money. Share this with your friends and family to enjoy their referral commission benefits as well. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here.